This is a hydraulic 12-volt pump used for a dump trailer, and it just quit working. It was losing power all of a sudden and wasn't working. So I thought I'd take it apart. I'd replace the solenoid thinking that something was going wrong there. But I've just pulled the cap off the back of this thing. Here. There's a spring in there, don't lose it. And there's the front one. And there's a gear up in there. So anyway, I pulled the cap off and look at this, what do they call that? Commutator? See if I can zoom in on that a little bit. It's coated. It's absolute. I've never seen one like that. It's, I don't know, oil get in there? And it's just coated it so that it can't make electrical contact anymore. Okay, well, I'm gonna try some cleaner. Brushes look like they're fine, but definitely something's in there and cooking on that, because that should be shiny copper. I have never seen an engine like that before. A motor, not an engine, a motor. I know, correct me in the comments. But yeah, I don't know if anybody else has come across this, but I'll get that cleaned out and see if I can get her working again. Well, I took a pile of Q-tips and you see how black they are. And you should see my hands too. I've got them somewhat cleaned. But this commutator is much cleaner. It's not perfect. I could keep cleaning on it, but you know what? I want to put it together and see if it works. At least I know what the issue was. It's apparently not the solenoid, it's just bad connections. Okay, when reassembling this, first of all, I marked the top here to make sure I put it back the way it came apart, because you never know. And I marked it down here for these two pieces here. So, but in between here is a very fine gasket, or a rubber O-ring. Make sure that that's in place. I held it in place with some grease. First I went to assemble it and one part of it came out and I tried squishing it. Not good. So when I realized that, I pulled it apart and fitted it back together. There's a little sleeve in there that you install it onto the pump first, because it has, well, the engine side has a spline and the pump side has a slot. So you want to make sure it's in the slot, then you can insert the pump into the spine, because you can see what's going on between this crack. Don't over snug your bolts, but don't under snug them either. Well, let's put this back in the machine, or let's maybe put some power to it and see if it runs, because that's a big problem if it isn't. I suppose I don't like sparking, but maybe I'll just do it with some booster cables. I was gonna say maybe it's this battery, but I mean, I had a different one in here when it first failed, and I'm wondering about these two things. As far as I know, they're just magnetic solenoids, so power feeds to them. So as long as power is coming in here, and that's positive. But as soon as I hit the go button here for up, watch the voltmeter. Or down. That's weird. Okay. So that apparently isn't the problem. So what else could it be? Must be maybe in the wires, or maybe in the what do you call that? It says waterproof. The breaker, 150 amp breaker. Maybe the breaker's not working. I mean, I'm getting power, but as soon as I apply the solenoid, the voltage goes to 0 on the feed line. So I don't know, maybe I've just got too much feed and I should check the wires. what do I do? Actually, before I got too thorough in cleaning the commutator, I should have pulled the brushes out because they are thick with oil. So I got a feeling the main seal in the pump, between the pump and the reservoir, must be leaking somewhat, and that's what caused all the carbon buildup on the commutator. So anyway, I'm cleaning all the brushes, and I do an ohm test and it shows fine, but I don't know. That looks kind of burnt right there. Oh well, we shall see. Keep going at it one step at a time.